Hey there, this is Cheryl Clark from Phenomenal Writing, and in this video, I'm going to give you some tips on how to make an emotional impact using statistics in your next speech or presentation. So what you want to do to avoid being boring with a bunch of data for your audience is, number one, make it personal. You want to appeal to their intrinsic desires. There are certain things that no matter who you are, no matter what your demographic is, we all want the same things. We all have certain intrinsic basic needs, and examples of those needs include security, safety, love, significance, variety, personal growth, and so much more. So if you have a lot of data and statistics that you want to cover, or even just a little bit, but you want to do it in a way that makes an impact and is not just your typical chart or graph, you want to make it personal. So don't put up impersonal stats that will say there's 11% chance that you may develop prostate cancer in your life. While that's an important figure and a lot of guys may nod and agree, but they get it on an intellectual level, it won't land in the way that it should or could because it's not appealing to one of their intrinsic needs. In this case, you want to play on all of our need for self-preservation. So a better way to do that would be to just say, there are 90 gentlemen in this room. According to the American Cancer Society, at least 9 of you may develop prostate cancer at some point in your lives. And if you look around the room, there are no more than 9 of you at each table. So one of you will be the one. It could be you, it could be you, it could be you, and I'm doing this, and you could be pointing at each table, not at someone directly, but pointing in the direction of the table to kind of get them thinking, is it me? Will it be me? And now you're making them think a bit more than just showing a number. And you can follow that up by saying, we don't know who it's going to be. But what we do know is that early screening can detect it and help you have a better chance of either not developing it or fill in the blanks with whatever the rest of the statement will be. So this is what I mean about making an appeal to one of their intrinsic desires. And that is a wonderful way that you can turn statistics into something emotional and something that makes people think, something that will land a bit better and be more memorable, and that can drive the desired outcome that you want. So that's my tip for the day. I hope you found it valuable. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please feel free to give this a thumbs up. Please also subscribe to my channel and follow me on LinkedIn for more tips on business communications. That's it for now. I'll see you next time.